What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Got a surprise for y'all. Look what I bought at an auction I bought a bunch of goodies. What kind of bike is it? Oh, I should have backed up a little bit. What kind of bike do y'all think that is? I bought a bike. We're gonna need some air for you. Oh, maybe if I put it the right way. I bought an actual bike, exciter. Some used chainsaws. I don't even think they work, bro. I don't even know why I bid it on that. And my pride and joy. Only thing that it looks like the seat, this has been sitting. I tried to strap it in a way. Oh yeah, she's not going nowhere. I forgot to even give her that slap. But look at that tire. That tire is gone, boy. Well, let's get it out of here. See, it's not really hurting nothing, I hope. Are you recording? Yeah. It's a 2005 Suzuki 750. Yes?
I knew it was supposed to be a golden one.
How you know?
Because you said no. It is the golden one.
Oop, don't damage the ignition. I picked it up last night. I think I got a good deal on it. How much do y'all think I paid? I don't know if I'm gonna say it in this video. Put it in the comments below. How much do you think I paid for it? 05 Suzuki 750. Dead battery, so I have no idea how many miles are on it. God damn it. No, it didn't look like I scratched.
Cold out. Cold out here.
Yes, it is. That's why I told you to help clean the inside.
It was cold in there too.
What the? It's not cold in the house. Tell brother to come help me. Oh, there he is. What? Evidence. This was in the cage, so it might be better. Let me see. Yeah, this baby look good. I think I only spent like $15 on that bike. I mean on the chainsaw. You know what you use chainsaws for, right? Yeah.
Why'd you get the broken one?
It can't. You had to buy. You had to buy all three.
Motorcycle name again?
Suzuki.
Huh?
Suzuki. You had to get all three of them to get the one to get. And I really wanted those two. And I didn't really want them. They were just cheap. And since I was already gonna go get that motorcycle, I felt like I could get a couple extra stuff.
Read the license. It expired in 2018.
He had that. I'm gonna move this tire over here. Okay. And then we'll each just hold one. This is the brake, so if you feel like it's going too fast, you just squeeze it. But don't squeeze it if it's not, because then, yeah, this is the, what is that? This is, no, one of these is not the brake. I can't remember. Brake. So what is this?
Don't you do that on motorcycles?
Yeah. How come it doesn't feel like a brake though? No, that's a clutch. I think this is the brake. Yeah, so mine is the brake.
Oh, that's what you read by me to see.
And the battery. Alright, let's get it off. Let's get her off. I'm holding on to it. Should I get on it?
Maybe you think that's gonna be easier?
Oh, lift that thing up. Kick it back, yeah. Alright. Okay, the brakes work. Alright, come on down with it. Try to hold it from, like, you see these things right here?
Yeah.
Try to hold it from there. Imagine having to lift, we had to roll it on there at the auction. It was not easy. All right, let's go put it over there near the thing. Let me turn the. Yeah.
My Uncle Lionel, he had a Harley.
Oh, them things are heavy.
And it was like one of the ones where like the this thing, it was all the way up here. So when I was trying to hold up the motorcycle, it almost fell.
And them things are heavy, man. Once they start to lean to one side or the other, it's pretty much going over.
Where did we put it?
Right here.
I put the thing down?
Yeah. And you don't want to leave it like this because it's going to easily tilt over. So what you want to do is push it as far as you can that way. Damn, I wonder did he run from the cop, because look at all these. I bought it from, just put it towards the off. Oh. Oh. I don't know. Is it the right key? It looks like the right key. Do you know where that battery charger is downstairs?
I don't know what it looks like.
It says battery charger. I'll go look for it. See if he can give me some bread for the chickens. Alright. Battery gonna be expensive. But there she is, guys. We just need to fix this. Damn. He must have wrecked this beach. She must have ran, but you don't see a lot of scratches. But what is this? It's okay. Look at all these branches. He must have ran that thing into the trash. Looks expired. You want to sit on it? I'll put the seat back on. Just don't let it go to one side or the other. This is almost as big as mine. Alright, let's say you were right here. Let's say you were right here. Nothing's there. Oh, let me move that stuff out the way. Just put it right here. Okay, let's just say you're walking up to your bike. Which way? Go get on it. Yes. I was trying to think which way you do it, but let me see. Hold on. All right, guys. So I pumped air in the tires. The front one at least seems like it's holding air. I should have recorded it. This was a patch right here. It looks like it's holding air. I might be able to see if it'll get it to work. And then I just pumped air in that tire that I got to, that bike. The chickens need water.
They can plug into the seat system. But you still got to watch that thing.
Nah, that's good. Now we're gonna try to see if she'll start. I doubt it. I doubt it's had enough.
No, Dad, no.
I doubt that it's had enough juice going through the battery.
Dad, I'm in the way.
Oh no, she's in the way. Oops. Alright. Oh wait, I can't charge it.
Oh, fire! Bite you, bro!
Doesn't even look like it's getting any charge.
We got to charge it more, Dad. What are you doing, mister?
The air hold, yeah. I just put air in both of them. Look at the one in the back now. Look. Let me see, are you plugged up right now? Says I'm not getting no reading. It must be really, really dead. I should have done this last night. Left it charging overnight. If not, let me take a picture of it and we might look for one.
A battery?
Yeah, them things are expensive though. About $100.
Oh, this is somebody else's shit?
Yeah. You normally take this off and put another seat right here. He always getting out. How the heck do
It's
you...
like they're in prison, but then they go back for free rent.
How the heck do you take this off? Alright, guys. And that looks like the only place.
Does this thing, do you think it shoots fire out of there?
Nah. I doubt it. I wonder why they pulled this guy over for. I got a police. Oh, it's right here. It's got a tool set to take off the battery. Let's see what's in here. Power commando. We found a mouse! Oh shit, what was that? Did you hear that?
That was the leaf right there. No, not that leaf, that thing right there.
At first I was joking and then it actually scared me.
They said you still want the scooter.
Yeah. What is that? Red tape?
That's
What?
nice.
What do they need red tape for? This thing is not charging, man. I'm gonna have to... It should read something by now. Let's see what's in here, guys. I forgot I'm recording. I don't know what that's for. Just to take out the socket, this sprocket, whatever they're called. So it's just a maintenance kit. Everything you need for the everything you need to service your bicycle. I wonder why this guy never went back to get his motorcycle. Chabad, I already gave him bread.
I didn't know that.
Yup. Just open the door up so they can come.
Jabir, do you have some gloves? Let me check inside.
Jessica, are you gonna give him water or are you just gonna be playing with him? I knew it. This ain't gonna go back in its place. Should have just left it close. Oh man. I knew it. That's that. Now, how do you take off the seat? Let's see why we couldn't take off the, open up this gas tank. See what else we got here. What else do we got here? A Craftsman socket with everything missing. Oh my gosh! It's got a good amount of set though. Okay, we got that. What else? What do we got in this fishing rod? Ooh, yes sir. What is this? Super real. Got some fishing gear. Gosh, did I score on this or what? Oh my gosh, look at this stuff. I think this is a good deal in itself right here. I got emerald shiners, not for human consumption. Oh man, the fact that they need to put that on there. Look, Chaparro, look all the stuff I bought. Powdered trout. Look at that. Oh, can you give me that, boy?
Is it right here?
No, behind it. I should have taken it to the table over there. Look at all this stuff that I got for fishing. I don't know what this is, guys.
And where did this came from?
A hook. A single good luck hook. Oh my gosh.
Where did you get these?
At the store.
What store?
$1.59. Man, I think I scored on this right here. I've been trying to get me a, cause I lost mine.
What thing?
My fishing material that I used to have. So this is a good score. I like that. Ah! What else we got in here? This just seems to be trash. Somehow it got punctured. The oil looks good, but
Do fish eat this thing?
yep, they tried to eat it. And this oil. I think I already had this one. Eat it. And this oil. I think I already had this one.
Dad, are you going to fix that motorcycle?
No, Shelly.
Then what's that thing?
What?
That thing for?
I don't know. Nail gun things. Blades that are pretty good shape for the most of them part. Look at this. Nope. Scored on that. Chaparra, tráeme una bolsa so I can throw some of this stuff away.
Why? Why, Dad?
These in itself are pretty expensive. I've looked at them on at Harbor Freight. I think I got this whole box for like
Where's the bag?
$12.
Dad, where's the bag in here?
I might have already used it.
Huh?
I probably already used it. I got a
Is it in that
tape
black
too.
bag right there?
Huh?
Is it in that black baggie right there?
No, sir, Giselle.
Wait, I want that too.
This is all all these cables. I'm throwing them away. I don't want to mess with that. What is this though? Does anybody know what this is? Me trae una.
I'm going to.
All these cables are going straight in the trash. Fuel protect. This blade looks like it's seen. It's good share. Kind of masonry blade that I'll never use. Alright. I don't think I need this stuff. Just throw it away. Keeping this one for whatever reason. Alright. Let me see. Lot 163. Chaparra, let me see my phone. Let's see how much I paid for that.
What does smell? Smell like grape. Bobby, it smells like grape.
Yeah. Alright, let's see how much I paid for it. 163 was Hot Wheels carts. I might have overpaid on them. This was separate. I bought this crap separate. But all these Hot Wheels cars were $35. Might have overpaid on this. But I just figured because I won the motorcycle first. And I just wanted to buy a little bit more extra stuff. What do y'all think? Anything in here worth anything?
I'm gonna get you.
NASCAR, Dale Hart Jr. I don't know if any of these are good, worth anything. Look, Chaparra.
What?
Be careful.
Okay. What, Dad?
And then the gun, and then these holsters were
What, Dad?
$22. You can't play with them. Mira.
Huh? They look like cars, Dad.
Yup. And look at this. How does this go?
Why did you bought the car for?
How do these go?
Dad, why did you bought the car for?
Do they just go over your shoulders like this?
No, Dad. Bobby, why did you bought the car
Like this?
for?
Underneath your shirt, of course.
Dad, what did you buy these for?
No, sir. Is this how it goes, guys? Doesn't look right. Oh, it might go around your waist. This is definitely not going to fit me.
Bobby,
Huh?
this one is scary.
Yeah?
Why did you bought this kind of car right here?
No, I don't know. Cheeto told me to.
He did not.
JBP, genuine leather. Seems cheaply made.
Did you buy these to play with yourself?
No, Chaparra, no. I feel
Are
like
these
it's missing something.
decorations? Oh, something else?
This seems like it's for a way smaller gun than the one I got. Maybe my 9mm if I fit in here. How the heck do these stuff go? I don't know, we'll figure it out in there. A little bit.
This is not a little bit, Dad. This is a whole much.
Alright, let's see here.
Bobby, this is a whole much.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Now I want to see if this chainsaw's run. Actually, I want to try this bad boy first. Let's see if she runs Craftsman. Oh, Craftsman. Interracial activated chain brake.
Bobby, tell me why did you buy the car for?
No, it's sad. You're the screwdriver.